They look cute, but they can be deadly. Here are 5 cute animals that are secretly dangerous. Number 5. Slow loris. Adorable, right? But its bite can inject venom, causing severe pain or even death. Number 4. Koala. They look like fluffy teddy bears, but they have sharp claws and can become aggressive when threatened. Number 3. The pufferfish. So cute when it puffs up, but it's loaded with deadly toxins that are 1,200 times stronger than cyanide. Number 2. Swan. Majestic and elegant, until it attacks. These birds can be extremely aggressive, especially when protecting their nests. Number 1. Cassowary. Beautiful and colorful, but one powerful kick can be deadly. It's known as the world's most dangerous bird. Looks can be deceiving. Which cute but deadly animal shocked you the most?